Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make broth of enlightenment arc. Start by gathering high-quality ingredients like prime meat, rare mushrooms, and purified water, and prepare a campfire or cooking pot near a safe base. Chop or process meats to increase effectiveness, and combine ingredients in the cooking pot with the exact ratios for best results. Monitor heat and cook until the broth reaches a rich golden color and emits a faint glow. Measure ingredients carefully to maximize the broth of enlightenment effects. Use 2 prime meats, 3 rare mushrooms, and 250 purified water units for a standard batch. Adjust upward for larger pots. Adding spark powder or rare spices can boost duration but may increase spoilage risk. Use a preserving bin and engrams to store components safely, and always test one batch to confirm potency before mass production. Rotate batch. Maintain stable heat when simmering broth of enlightenment to avoid breaking active compounds. Keep the cooking pot protected from predators and weather by building a small shelter or using enclosed structures. Use a cauldron for larger yields and better temperature control, and have a dedicated cook to avoid interruptions. If brew fails, salvage remaining ingredients and adjust ratios based on observed potency and duration. Label each brew with date and notes for future improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.